Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what can we expect from the market tomorrow as it is expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see chart what we had discussed for Nifty and then we'll see what can we expect. Right? We said if there's a gap up and market comes for a dip, go for after reversal, go for a long. But either we can take it as a gap up or it is since it is a 100 point gap up. So it is not what it's a real big gap up where we will not be able to take the prime that we are talking about, right? If it is 60 70 points gap up and then coming down and a reversal, we can go for long. But still, this has given a reversal here and then close to some 40 50 points it has given, right? But it not able to like if you see 100 point gap up, the setup would be really different. That we have to enter only after crossing the first candle. So these were whatever the 10:30 candle that is formed, it has market has to close above that one so that we can go further long. Otherwise we have to wait for the next price action to take entry. So this what happened, like market gave entry here for whatever we discussed, and then it gave 50 points target, and it turned bearish after that. So this is what it happened. If you had taken 60 70 point target, it was okay. If you had waited for the 100 point target, it would have hit the SL actually. And it gave double top also, so that then it gave a target of this point exactly. It came and gave a target of this also. So coming to this tomorrow, what can you expect? Market looks to be sideways, right? So what we can expect is like if there is a gap up here, only the we can go for long only if it breaks this trend line actually. Otherwise, we are looking for only bearish option tomorrow. If there is a gap up, if there is a rejection near this trend line or this or the resistance, so we can go for a short and we can expect a big target coming down. Definitely 100 points to market coming down for this one. So only scenario that we look for long is that above this trend line, if the market breaks this line, we can go for long. We can go for 100 points. If it is getting rejected, go for short. I think we would be getting 100 points, and even it might market might come to 500. That is what the target tomorrow. I'm seeing it. If there is a directly gap down, wait for red candle formed here, so we can go for a short, and this is the target again. So this is what we have the scenarios for Nifty, and this is what I have captured it also today. Either 70 point target we could have taken or SL later. So this is what we have it review for today. And tomorrow, like 22 700 above only we can go for long. Otherwise we are looking for only bearish market tomorrow if it is getting rejected 22 700. And directly if there is a gap down or a market available 22 600, we can go for short, which is like will give 100 points or till 22 500 we can expect. So this is what I am saying it for tomorrow, the scenarios for Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, what you had expected was exactly so. This worked better than Nifty. So market, we said if it is breaking this one, we can go for long. Market gave an entry here and it gave close to 250 points target actually. So this is what we usually expect, to 70 points we expect. So it is short of 20 points, but market give 250 points here, and then it remained like it came became bullish and came down actually. So coming to like what can you expect from the market? Market looks to be bargain looks to be in sideways market. So we can take a what do you say, the back gap up, good gap up above this only we will be able to go for long, and below this only we can go for short. Otherwise, market is going to be in this range for tomorrow. 48 960 and 48 567 is going to be range for tomorrow for Bank Nifty, and expiry is going to happen in this range. That's what. Otherwise it has to break either the resistance stop today's high or today's low. Until it breaks this one, we will not be able to go for a trending market. If it is inside this market opens flat here, I think it is going to be in the region, in this region only until it breaks this one or this one. So if the market is available near this one and getting it is pushed again up, so we can go for long. It can wait till this high, Or if there is a gap up and market gets rejected, we can look for short and market will be coming here. So these are the few scenarios that since it is going to be sideways, we have to look for all the sideways scenarios set up for this bank nifty and then take the trade accordingly. Hope you are able to see the value of this analysis. You can like this video and then share subscribe to the channel, so that you can get the regular updates daily that we are giving every day, right? Thanks for watching this video.